I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a project because Streamchamp organizes assets per session. This keeps edits tidy and export simple. First, sign in and tap New Project, then pick Resolution and a template that matches your destination. Once done, allow mic and camera permissions and choose a storage folder on your device or cloud. Do this now so recordings and assets land where you expect them, and so export settings inherit sensible defaults for bitrate and format. You now set up sources and scenes because layering defines your final output. Add camera, screen share, and microphone tracks, then arrange them into scenes that match your workflow. Make sure to assign hotkeys for fast switching during live takes. This prevents fumbling when timing matters. Once arranged, tweak audio levels and visual overlays, and lock tracks you don't want moved. Doing this reduces on-the-fly errors and keeps your recording clean, so editing later is faster and less painful. You finish by exporting and checking quality because delivery matters as much as creation. Export using the recommended codec and bitrate for your platform, then preview the entire file to confirm audio sync and visual clarity. If you need changes, trim or re-record affected sections. If audio and video drift, try resyncing tracks or toggling hardware acceleration in settings. That often fixes timing issues. Finally, save a copy in cloud storage so you can recover quickly if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.